in this medical college could
Shri
be started
Hemant Godse.
in 18. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, Madam. I want to raise the issue about the arbitrary attitude of private airport authority who runs the government airport. Madam, Mumbai Airport is run by JVK, a private company, and the rights to time slot to take off and land the aircraft are exclusively given by the JVK. Government PSU Airlines Air India has applied for time slot to JVK to connect Mumbai with two-tier cities like Nasik, Hubli and Pune from 1st May 2016. But the JVK rejected the application by saying that they have no time slot, instead of giving the time schedule available with them at Mumbai airport, so that Air India would have applied as per time available or asking the Air India for other optional time slot. The private airport authority, that is JVK, allowed the time slot to private airlines because they get more money from them, and they don't get any charges from the government PSUs Airlines Air India for small aircraft below 80-seater.
Okay.
Government policy is to connect two-tier cities with metro cities for better development of our country, and also to give preference to the connection of the religious circuit. Nasik is well known as a religious place, but because of such rights given to the private companies and their exercise arbitrary attitude, government policy will fail, and also government PSU Airlines Air India will have to shut down. Honorable Speaker, Madam, through you I want to request the Civil Aviation Ministry that to quit or control on such private companies' arbitrary attitude by giving some reserved time slot for government PSUs airlines, or either giving right to approve the time slot to air traffic control of civil aviation.
Yes.
May the private airport authority charge and collect as decided. Also direct the authorities to approve the available time slot applied by the Air India from 1st May 2016 for connectivity of Nasik, Mumbai. Thank you.
Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal ji.